Hello and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe. It really does help me out. Today we will be unboxing Birchbox Man. With that being said, let's get into it. Now, Birchbox is a monthly subscription fee box service that sends you variant body washes, moisturizers, aftershaves, and things of that nature. Now there's two versions of this box. There's a $10 version, which gets you the box, and there's also a $20 version that gets you a personalized pick of any 3 items. This month it was a power caber, as you see here, which is what I picked. There was a scarf and a magnetic tie clip, I believe. Here is the power caber. And of course, the box. With everything in it. And yeah. Now, honestly, I've been getting this box for just about a year now, and I haven't had to buy much in the way of care goods, body washes, hair wash, or aftershaves, obviously. But it is a great way to test out and try out new products to see if they will work for you and if you like them. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.